What's up, everybody? Welcome back. My name is Raf. I'm the CEO of Raf's Coaching LLC, and we're back with another episode of Raf's Whiteboard. Today, we're talking about a super important topic, and that's how to build your credit in 4 easy steps. The reason I'm talking about personal credit today is because I get asked all the time is, how can I get business credit cards? How can I get business loans? How can I get business funding? And my first response to them is, how's your personal credit score? Your personal credit score is a huge factor in getting approved for your business funding, your business credit, or a business loan. So making sure that your personal credit is ready to go before you take those steps in your business credit journey is super important. So today, I'm gonna take you through 4 steps how to improve your personal credit score if you're in the 500, 600s, in the 6s to get you to a 650, 750, 8. Now these steps will take time to be able to see the impact and the improvement in your score, but they're super easy steps that cost little to nothing to get started. So let's check it out today. All right, so the very first step you want to do is pull your credit score or your credit report, right? So that's the very first step. Believe it or not, people want to build their credit and haven't even looked at their credit report to see what's wrong with it. So pull your credit report to get the data. You can get a free credit report from all 3 bureaus every year from annualcreditreport.com. So that's a gem for you guys. Go pull your credit report, get the data. Now your data on your personal credit report will not impact your credit score if you update it. However, if there's a misspelling in your name or there's a different name on your credit report and you dispute it because there's a creditor or something going on with your credit report, you then can impact your credit score positively because it then gets dropped off and that creditor doesn't belong to you. So that's the importance of pulling your credit report outside reviewing the data. So you can correct any errors there may be. All right. Second one, love this one. It's a free program through Experian. It's your Experian Boost. What is an Experian Boost? It's so cool. It costs $0. Won't cost you anything. Through Experian.com, you'll check out the Experian Boost. It's one of their tools, they call it. It's a self-reporting tool that'll allow you to report any telecom, any utility. So if you have your PSNG on there, you can report that. If you have your cell phone, you can report that. If you have like Comcast Wi-Fi, you can report that. And what that does, that gives you a couple of things. It gives you payment history, and then it's also going to give you on-time payment as well. So these are super important factors. Now, if you're in the 650, 750, 800s, Experian Boost may not do much for you. But if you're below 600, you're definitely going to be able to get some points added on to your FICO score. That's the other important piece, that it reports to your FICO score, not just your other scores as well. So super. The third program I love for yourself is In the Self, right? You'll see what I did there. So Self Incorporated is a great program. It will then establish a personal loan to yourself that you're able to pay back and get after an annual time frame. So you go to Self, you sign up, you commit to paying $35 a month. At the end of the year, they'll cut you a check for like $750. It then reports to all 3 bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, on-time payment, payment history, and a credit line. And if you do on-time payments for the next 4 months on time, they will then give you your Self credit card, which then gives you another line of credit, which then impacts your overall payment history, line of credit, and tenure as well. So super important there. reports to all three. Great program. And then at the end, you get that paycheck. They'll send you a check after a year for the personal loan that you put against yourself and building credit at the same time. So super important. A great tool to have. Let's see. Let's put the check at the end of the year. All right, so the last one. What's the last one? Before it comes in, the very last one, such a great program, is Grow Credit. Grow Credit is a great program. If you're already, most people are already doing this, it's time to get credit for it. They're already doing this, time to get credit for it. That was funny. All right, so Grow Credit, right? You're already making payments to your Netflix account. You're already watching Hulu, making payments there. You're already on the phone, making payments to T-Mobile. You're already using the Wi-Fi for Xfinity, making payments there. Grow Credit allows you to make those same payments you're already making each month and get credit for those payments. What that does for you, it gives you payment history, line of credit history, and on-time payment history that reports to all three bureaus. So get payment credit for the bills you're already paying for. So all your subscriptions, you got your Netflix, you got your Comcast, you got your T-Mobile. Get credit for those programs. So normally this program, I think it starts at like $7.99. You can do one subscription. And then you can improve the amount of line of credit they give you over time. So make sure you make your payments on time. And there you have it. You have the 4 easy steps to improve your credit score. If you're somewhere in the 5s to 6s, this will improve your credit score over time as you can make your on-time payments. But let's just recap. So the first thing is pull your credit report. You can get a free credit report through annualcreditreport.com once a year. Look at your data, dispute anything. If you need a template, just comment template below. I'll reach out to you. We'll get the template done for you. Experian Boost, another free program through Experian, costs you $0. Tools, self-reporting, payment history, on-time payment, and then goes to your FICO score. The self-program, it's all within yourself, right? Your personal loan reports to all three reports. You get a check at the end of the year, and it counts as a personal loan. Grow Credit, Netflix, T-Mobile, Comcast, Hulu, you're already making payments. Time to get credit for those payments and get credit for on-time payment history, credit lines, and much more. There you have it. If you need more steps, you need more communication, make sure you reach us back here at rascoachingllc.net. Subscribe to the channel, like, share, subscribe. The handle's Ras Coaching LLC. And I'll see you next week for another episode of Ras Whiteboard. Peace.